Hi, my name is Kaelo Makgobo. I'm 22 years old. I'm a second-year university student studying media. I love modeling so much because modeling, I associate modeling with beauty. It's all about fashion, and that is why I want to be part of fashion as much as I can. I want to showcase my beauty, and I believe that I have enough talent to go out there and expose beauty and get to people. Just bring beauty out there to them, as well as fashion. I love Naomi Campbell, Tyra Banks, especially Tyra Banks, because she inspires me. She inspires a lot of young women, like to continue, following their dreams and stuff. So that is why I love her so much. And I love Kimara Lee. I love her label, Baby Fat. I love it so much. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you.